CapCut has officially taken over the video editing world. With over 200 million monthly active users, it's the go-to app for creators who want professional results without the complexity of desktop software. But let's be honest, the Pro subscription can get pretty expensive depending on where you live. If you're tired of seeing that Pro watermark or being locked out of the best features because of the price, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you 3 price hacks to get CapCut Pro for a fraction of the cost. Let's get started. First, let's look at the official ways to save. CapCut frequently runs seasonal promos. If you aren't in a rush, wait for major shopping holidays like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or New Year's. They often offer trials or steep discounts during these windows. Always check the subscription tab in your settings during holidays. But if you don't want to wait for a holiday, you need to understand the second way, regional pricing. Because of exchange rates and local taxes, CapCut Pro isn't the same price everywhere. For example, a subscription in the US or Europe might be double the price of one in Brazil, Turkey, or Indonesia. By simply changing your digital location, you can save a massive amount of money. And finally, the third way, use a digital marketplace. Websites like G2G.com are world-leading platforms for digital goods. If you head to the CapCut top-up section on G2G, you can often find promotion codes or top-up services that give you 20% to 40% off the standard retail price. It's a secure way to get a discount immediately without waiting for an official sale. Now, to actually take advantage of those regional prices I mentioned in way number 2, you need a reliable tool to change your location. This is where UFO VPN comes in. It's fast, secure, and perfect for bypassing geo-restrictions. First, download UFO VPN on your mobile phone or computer. It's available on all major platforms. Open the app and go to the server list. You want to connect to a country where the cost of living and app subscriptions is lower. I recommend choosing Brazil or Turkey. Tap Connect, your IP address is now masked, and you appear to be in that country. Now, open your CapCut app and log in. Head over to the Purchase Pro page. You should notice that the currency has changed to the local currency of the server you chose. Because of the exchange rate, the total cost will be significantly lower than the local price. Complete the checkout, and you've got CapCut Pro for the cheap price. If this saved you some money today, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments which country gave you the best deal. See you next time.